209 for 4. It's gone for a big one, and it's gone for 6, and India need that.
Suresh Raina targeting that leg side boundary and hitting it a long way.
They run well between the wickets. Dhoni there coming back for 2. 2 is the call. Dhoni will get it. Dhoni wants 2. And another misfield will give him the run quite easily. Ponting hits the stumps, but Dhoni's in, and he goes back for the second. Oh, lovely shot. Much needed boundary this for India. Here's Doherty. And he's bowled him.
He's going to try and target the onside. And he basically just ran past that one. Missed it on the full. And India have lost their 5th wicket with 239 on the board.
Ravindra Jadeja comes out to the middle. When he has to hurry. Oh, direct hit, and he could have been in trouble there. 2 is the call. Jadeja is quick. Gets it easily. He's struck it, and long on will take the catch.
Yeah, he was looking a little squarer. He wanted to hit the gap between Ponting and Warner, but instead Ponting was on the move and took a good catch.
So Ashwin, the man who's come out to the centre, but he'll be at the non-striker's end.
India have a big over now if they're to win this.
He's got that away on the onside. He'll get only 1, as Dhoni will want the strike. Tremendous strike. What a strike that is. It has gone a long, long way into the crowd over the longest part of the boundary, and this has to be one of the biggest sixes you've seen in this one-day tournament. It's gone way back on the hill. And the good thing is Dhoni still on strike. He goes again. He will be caught in the deep. It's a no ball signal. He'll come back for the second.
Definitely above waist height. Paul Rifle called it immediately. David Warner, I think he was on the case. He knew straight away he was getting it in.
We'll get 2 here, maybe even the boundary. It's pulled back by Warner, but India have come back for 3 and have won this match. So terrific match, and the captain brilliant in the end. Just kept his cool, came out with a big shot when it was needed. So India register their first win against Australia in the triangular series, and the second.
Third man, deep square leg, and the long on.
That is big. Length within reach of Dhoni. 9 required of 4.
Very predictable. Probably the length was the same as the first ball, but this time much closer to Dhoni. And all he does is swing through the line. Nine or 4. Pressure on Niranga. Not sitting deep in his crease, expecting the Yorkers.
Isn't he something, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, under pressure? India can sense hope.
And why not? 5 runs required of 3 balls. With Mahendra Singh Dhoni, you have to go with India. Again length. He was going down the ground but sliced this time. He got it away from the fielder in the deep. Hit the top of point. There are plenty of open spaces there. The sweeper goes much squarer now. More often at the death, you see batsmen sitting deep so that they can get underneath the Yorker, but Dhoni is not doing that.
Magnificent. Magnificent Mahindra. He is unbelievable in so many ways. He has taken India to victory by just 1 wicket.
"21 runs he had to put on with Ishant Sharma, but never panicked at any stage. Even in the last over from Matthews, he reassured Ishant.
Well, that's a big, big blow straight into the stands.
He's middled it, and it's gone for a biggie. He really has gone for a biggie.
Oh, how's this for a hit? It's gone miles, straight back over Pollard's head.
Oh, wow. That is smashed.
Smash. Straight over his head. Oh, that's a huge blow again from Dhoni. He's going to leave his mark. A little applause there from Dinesh Karthik. And if you're keeping stats on big hits, that was our 672nd Yes Bank maximum hit. Straight back over his head again. Muscular hitting this from Dhoni.
And he's managed to hit a boundary. I think that's a boundary, and there comes the sprint.
MS Dhoni at the non-striker's end, over 3,000 runs in his IPL career, strike rate of 138.
He was flat all the way for 6.
Oh, shot. Beautiful. He has, and he's beaten them. Bang! Out of there. Sixer. He's got it away. He's got another away. 4 runs. Number 1. That's one of them. Oh, just inside. There it goes. Gone. 6 runs. Let's see how he goes.